Meaning of Library of Congress.
Library of Congress.
Library of Congress.
Library of Congress.
Library of Congress. The Library of Congress is the research library of the United States Congress and is considered to be the National Library of the United States. It serves as a primary resource for members of Congress, but also provides resources and services to government agencies, scholars, researchers, and the general public. The Library of Congress was established by an Act of Congress in 1800 and is located in Washington, D.C. Its collections include over 38 million books, photographs, maps, manuscripts, and other materials.